autistic child is going to show you how they like to play if you let them. And you will see all different types of play if you work with a variety of autistic children. And the most important thing is to value the play that they do and meet them in that play and use that play. So I think we have a lot of these misconceptions that autistic kids don't play or they don't know how to play, and then we have to teach them how to play. And all those things are not true. They know how to play. They don't need to be taught how to play. What you're really saying is you don't like the way they play and you want them to play another way. That's your thought and your opinion. That doesn't mean that the child doesn't know how to play.